Ever felt that little pang of anxiety when you realize a bill might be due today? We've all been there. Life gets hectic, things slip our minds, and suddenly that autopay you thought was set up wasn't. Or maybe you intentionally decided to push a payment back just a little bit. Whatever the reason, when it comes to managing your finances, especially your investments, understanding the rules and potential costs associated with late payments is absolutely crucial. Now, if you're part of the growing community of investors using M1 Finance, a platform known for its automated investing and flexible borrowing options, you've probably experienced the convenience it offers. But what happens when life throws a curveball and you miss a payment on their M1 Borrow feature? That's the question we're diving deep into today. Forget the generic introductions, let's get straight to the heart of the matter. What exactly is the late payment fee for M1 Finance? To answer this comprehensively, we need to unpack a few things. M1 Finance isn't just a brokerage account, it offers a unique integrated platform where you can invest, borrow, and even spend. The late payment fee we're interested in specifically applies to their M1 Borrow feature. This is a personal line of credit that allows eligible users to borrow money against the value of their investment portfolio. It can be a useful tool for accessing funds without liquidating your investments, but like any borrowing product, it comes with responsibilities, including making timely payments. So, where do we find the answer to this all-important question? The most reliable source of information regarding M1 Finance's fees is always going to be their official documentation. This includes their fee schedules, terms and conditions for M1 Borrow, and their Help Center or FAQs. These documents are designed to be transparent and outline all the potential costs associated with using their services. Navigating these documents can sometimes feel like deciphering a legal scroll, so let's break down what you're likely to find. Typically, financial institutions will outline their fee structure clearly, specifying the amount or percentage charged for late payments. Now, while I can't access real-time, specific fee schedules that might change, I can tell you the general principles and what to look for based on how similar financial products operate. Late payment fees are usually structured in one of two ways, or sometimes a combination of both. A fixed fee. This is a specific dollar amount that is charged every time a payment is late. For example, it might be $10, $25, or some other fixed sum. A percentage-based fee. This fee is calculated as a percentage of the overdue payment amount. For instance, it could be 1% or 5% of the amount you failed to pay on time. It's also possible that M1 Finance might have a grace period. A grace period is a short window of time after the official due date during which a payment can be made without incurring a late fee. If such a grace period exists, it would be crucial to understand its duration, e.g., a few days. Missing the payment beyond the grace period would then trigger the late fee. Furthermore, it's important to consider if there are any escalating late fee structures. This means that the longer the payment remains overdue, the higher the late fee might become. For example, an initial late fee might be charged, followed by an additional fee if the payment isn't made within a certain time frame. Beyond the immediate late payment fee, there can be other consequences of not making timely payments on your M1 Borrow line of credit. These can include accrual of interest. Even if you make a late payment and incur a fee, interest will continue to accrue on the outstanding balance according to the terms of your loan agreement. This means the longer you take to pay, the more you'll owe in total. Negative impact on your credit score. While M1 Borrow might not directly report to traditional credit bureaus in the same way as a credit card or a conventional loan, consistently failing to meet your payment obligations could potentially have indirect negative consequences. M1 Finance likely monitors repayment behavior, and this could influence your future eligibility for their services or other financial products. Potential for default and liquidation. In more severe cases of prolonged non-payment, M1 Finance has the right to declare your loan in default. According to their terms, this could potentially lead to the liquidation of assets in your investment portfolio to cover the outstanding debt. This is a serious consequence that underscores the importance of responsible borrowing and timely repayments. So, how do you find the exact late payment fee for M1 Finance right now? Here's a step-by-step approach. Log into your M1 Finance account. The most personalized and up-to-date information will likely be found within your account dashboard or statements. Look for sections related to your M1 Borrow account details and any associated fees. Review your M1 Borrow loan agreement. When you initiated the M1 Borrow feature, you would have agreed to a loan agreement. This document should clearly outline all the terms and conditions, including the fee structure for late payments. Take the time to carefully read this document. Check the M1 Finance fee schedule. M1 Finance typically has a publicly available fee schedule on their website. Navigate to their Help Center, Support pages, or Legal Documents section and look for a document specifically detailing their fees for various services, including M1 Borrow. Explore the M1 Finance Help Center or FAQs. Their Help Center often contains answers to common questions, including those related to fees and payments. Search for keywords like late payment, fees, or M1 Borrow to find relevant information. Contact M1 Finance support. If you can't find the specific information you're looking for through the above steps, don't hesitate to reach out to M1 Finance's customer support team. They should be able to provide you with the most accurate and current details regarding their late payment fees for M1 Borrow. You can usually find contact information, email, phone, or chat on their website or within your account. Why is it so important to know this information? Understanding the potential costs associated with late payments is a fundamental aspect of responsible financial management. It allows you to avoid unnecessary fees. By being aware of the consequences of missing a payment, you're more likely to prioritize timely payments and avoid these charges altogether. Budget effectively. Knowing about potential fees helps you factor these costs into your financial planning, especially if you anticipate any potential difficulties in making payments on time. Make informed decisions. When using a borrowing product like M1 Borrow, understanding all the associated costs, including late payment fees, is crucial for making informed decisions about whether it's the right tool for your financial needs. Maintain a good standing with M1 Finance. Consistent on-time payments demonstrate responsible usage of their services and can help maintain a positive relationship with the platform. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.